Here we are, getting ready for the gable truss. This is the outside bracing. I'll show you the inside in a second. Now on the inside, we braced the wall with a 2x6 down to a 2x4 that goes all the way across to the other sill plate. Then my dad climbed up bravely and put a pulley up so that way we could pull up all the trusses.
Off that plywood? Yeah. Pull it off that?
Yeah. Just be careful.
This is what I was thinking of.
There you go. There you go. You good? You happy?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That one for one.
Like playing Plinko.
I put one behind here. I think it's good. I put a spacer behind this.
Dana, go up there and release all that.
I'm going to.
I'm going to. Sure, why not?
Right now.
Dana and four of us to watch him.
We're all holding.
All right.
So now you gotta drop your, you gotta drop your ends down.
Yeah, you can let that go down. Yep.
We're gonna get this corner at first then?
This corner is gonna go at first, where I am, please. Yep.
Okay.
So why don't you both
Good.
come around?
Yeah. Beautiful.
There you go.
Okay, good. Real good. Yeah.
We're like experts now.
Okay, let's see how it goes.
And then we gotta
We're gonna roll it over, right, like this.
You're gonna hold that right there. Okay, got it?
Well, I'm gonna go until I get it up on the wall. That's what I want to do.
Okay, you can if you want. Okay.
Okay, we don't want it too close to the stop.
Nope.
So that one's gonna, we'll move it, but let's do our,
Well, we gotta come back this way a little
yeah,
bit.
we gotta do our blocks anyway.
Very good.
About that much, you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Okay,
probably
so
right.
now, Nicole, where do you want to put these blocks?
Now I gotta do this here, right? And I
You
gotta
wanna
go,
put them, like,
I gotta put this on.
okay, you hold that, you got it? You good with that?
Is this a good spot or is this a bad because of our other things that we're doing? Where will we put the other ones here,
What
not
other
there?
things? What do we got?
The metal ones.
Those can't go in this space because it's too short. Those will not, there will be none of those in this space.
But in the future though.
We're not gonna do this. Your dad is gonna do his, this is probably the only place we'll do this. 'Cause it might mess with his system. You got it? You ready?
Yeah, once we get two of them up, then we can do a top float through. That keeps everything, and it's already marked since you set up your.
Good.
That's what you say.
That's it. The initial setup's up. It's gonna go right up against that over there.
Oh,
Good?
yep.
That's something. That's not flip that way.
We're flipping it up.
This is gonna stop it from.
Going too far. Top.
Yeah.
They saw that on YouTube, so I'm sure.
Top of that.
Right? They saw it on YouTube.
That's really biting.
It's got a.
It's a little tight on that side still. Should Should we push it further on that side? There we go.
It will,
Gonna get
yeah, it's
closer
gonna
on
push on its own. Yeah.
Happy?
Where's your, get your strap in.
Definitely safer than the first one, huh?
Try to get it right up on the peak there.
Pulley worked like a charm. It allowed everyone to be out of the way. One person pulled on the pulley, and then those blocks that we put in allow it to be at the exact correct distance away from the gable truss. We put up 3 trusses, and then we needed to pull the wall in. So we rigged up this little nifty gadget to pull the wall in, and then we were able to put up the rest of the trusses. So we're trying to get this to 11 7/8 by cranking the wall in. We knew it was about 2 inches off earlier, and we pulled it in some. This is the last truss that we can pull up to the others, and then we brought in the rest and put them over on the other side. So now we are all set with all of our trusses up except for this last one that we need to block. Where's that one is above, so this one will be below. We got all the trusses up. We used blocks on top of the walls to help evenly space it, along with the blocks that we put in the upper part of the trusses. And now they are all hooked into the walls and each other.
Ready?
Okay, you guys ready over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you under it?
Yep.
We're good.
Okay, clear.
Okay, and
Stand under.
Okay, so, looking at that way.
comfortable there?
Yep.
I'll slide it between us.
So what should happen here is there'll be a little bit of a gap, and then we'll be back.
Okay, put yours down.
Go off. We'll try to let that slide against the side.
Yeah, sure.
As we placed the sheathing, we made sure that everything was plumb and square. Then we made sure that the sheathing was nice and straight with each other and went right down the center of the next truss that it lined up with.
We're going to have you all kinds of comments about how dangerous it is.
I don't know if I can do this, both things.
Yeah, but strap it.
Strap it.
Strap your tripod to one of the trusses or something. Make sure it's out of the way. I don't know if that's out of the way enough. You might want to go this line here.
Thank you for your patience.
I almost dropped this thing. I tried to move. I got it in this position, but I got it off that cleat and it almost rolled. Okay.
So I think I'm on the outside of it, so I should be okay. Which way are we gonna
Well,
flip
we
it?
gotta flip it. The top has to come this way.
Okay.
I don't know if this is right. All
So I
ready?
got this corner.
Can you
Yeah.
get it?
I got this corner, yeah.
I can kind of go this way a little bit. Have it a little bit,
Yep.
sort of. Okay, so we want to let that end come down and let this end come up.
We're gonna get on this row
Yeah, we're trying
strapping
to get it up
first.
here, so can you pull it up higher?
Yeah.
I don't want to squish you, but
Oh,
corner's
I'm
on
good.
now.
I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down to this strapping and then we'll slide it up in place. Got the truth?
That sounds, they make it sound so easy.
Okay. I'm gonna move actually my ladder just that way a little bit because I think I gotta be more on the side of the truss.
No, you'll be too far.
Well, I don't mean on the outside, but I mean on the outer edge. Because I need
I
room.
think you're too far away.
I need room for my body.
Aren't you?
No, it's gonna come to this, right?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I think I need to get up here. Actually. Like a ninja warrior. All right, ready? You're gonna push it this way so it's
Yeah.
out of your body.
Ooh, wait to
Yeah.
slide in from my fingers. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
I
I think that strap's gonna be in the way. Damn strap.
It's gonna get in the way. Okay. Ready? Go. Go. I'm over, so if you can get yours over.
Strap.
Okay. I can show you that, what you did.
Once I was able to put the camera away, then I helped screw the places that I could reach from above.
Push it at all?
Yep. I can't reach anymore. Okay.
Right now, you don't know where to go.
There we go. We're gonna knock her. So we're gonna try to cheat it that way a little. The floorboard that we tossed down was a defective one. Its click and lock was pushed in and squished, so we weren't able to use it, so that's why you saw us push that one down over. This night we worked pretty late into the dark. At the end we are using flashlights. But we wanted to get that side of the attic done so that way the next day when we came to do the rest of the sheathing on the roof, we would be all set to rock and roll. Got this extra thick flashing type tape that we put over the peak of where we had for the vent, the roof vent, but we are not having roofers for a little while, so we ended up putting this over the top for now to keep our garage weatherproofed. So I had some left over and I feel like this stuff is good for the bottom sill of the window, so I'm going to use it on that, and then I'll come around with the zip tape on the sides And then I have some stretch zip tape that I'm going to do in the corners. I learned that from another YouTube video, that save the stretch tape because it's the most expensive kind of tape to just do in the corners, and then it'll save yourself some money. So first I measure out. Rather than using measuring tape, I'm just going to be more exact by, I just lay it out like this, and I fold the corner over at the end, and I cut on that line. One of my second grade students would have said, that's satisfying. It was like the cutting process. So now I'm going to peel off part of this. Get it ready to go around the edge. And you're going to go about halfway the tape. And this was a 6-inch tape, so it's about 3 inches in and 3 inches over. That right there. Line it up. Make sure it continues straight. If not, you can adjust it a little bit. Just keep pulling this out. There we go. And then the wind blowing. Good, but just go right down over. And as you go, you can make some adjustments. The stuff's a little stretchy too, which is nice. Bi-Core Plus, it's called. I just got it from our local lumber yard. So here's about where we stand now. We have all the walls up and zip taped. I am going to tape the top of the windows. I saw that on a YouTube video and realized I should do the top as well, so that gets done before I put the windows in. Plus around the doors, of course. And our roof is on, our sheathing is on, our attic floor is up. Next we are going to install a ladder to get up to the attic, a drop-down ladder. And then we'll be moving on to putting our overhang out here. That is going to be our next project, is the overhang out here and putting in windows and doors. Stay tuned to our next video to see what we do next. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.